Guys, thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for joining me. Guys, we're taking a closer look at what's inside of my Valentino bag, guys. Let's check it out. Okay, first thing first, we got Winter Fresh gum, my favorite. And then next we have my compact mirror, guys. I have eyeshadows and stuff. Next we got my wallet, guys. I carry a lot of coins and a lot of cash and credit cards and all the little knickknack in here. And next thing we have my sunglasses. Never leave them without it because the sun gets to my eyes. So my Chanel sunglasses, guys, for that chic look. All right. What's inside of my Valentino bag? I have my rat tail comb. I love. Never leave them without it. When you want to show your hair a little extra love and attention. What's inside of my bag? I have some lip gloss. Pop up at the lip. I have, what else is in my bag? My Valentino bag. I have lipstick. Surprise! A brand new lipstick. What's inside of my Valentino bag, guys? It's the weekend, so why not? I have deodorant. I found some deodorant, guys. Fresh and clean. Smelling. Guys, let's see what else is inside of my Valentino bag. I found another lipstick. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for joining me. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Guys, thanks, guys. Thanks.